Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix an installed font not showing up in PowerPoint. Let's begin. As you can see, I'm trying to use a specific font, but it's not showing up in PowerPoint. You might think the font was installed incorrectly, but that's not always the case. Sometimes the font works in other applications but still doesn't appear in PowerPoint. One of the easiest fixes is to reinstall the font. Occasionally, Windows or Mac OS may have trouble reading the font file correctly, which can prevent it from appearing in certain applications. To do this, locate the font file you downloaded and open it again. Click Install to reinstall the font. If you get a message saying the font is already installed, go ahead and uninstall it first, then install it again. After reinstalling the font, close PowerPoint completely and reopen it. Then check the font list again to see if the font appears. Also, make sure the font file is in a supported format. Common font formats include TTF, OTF, and sometimes WOFF. If the font is in an unsupported format, it may not work properly in PowerPoint. Once you've reinstalled a compatible font and restarted PowerPoint, the font should appear in the font list and be available for use. That's how you can fix an installed font not showing up in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.